Namaskar. Did you know that coconut oil contains the very same fatty acid that's found in mother's milk? Yes, it is called lauric acid. So you see, coconut oil is like a mother. It nourishes, heals, and protects you. Today I am going to tell you how and why coconut oil is so special. In Sanskrit, coconut tree is called as Kalpavriksha, or the tree that grants all wishes, because every part of it is useful: the fruit, the water, its shell, and its oil. Along the coast of our country, people have used coconut oil for centuries as food, as medicines, and even in rituals. Let's begin with what is inside it. Coconut oil is rich in medium chain triglyceride, or MCT, a very special kind of fat that behaves differently from most other fats. Unlike long chain fat which gets stored in body, this MCT are quickly converted into energy. So when you take a spoonful of coconut oil in the morning, it gives you an instant energy boost without burdening your digestion. That's why our coastal diets from Kerala to Konkan have always included coconut oil. And the lauric acid that I mentioned earlier gives coconut oil its natural antibacterial, antiviral, and antifungal power. It helps your body fight infection, heal wounds, and maintain immunity. It seems like nature has hidden a pharmacy in this bottle of oil. Now let's find out more about how it is good for your health. Coconut oil can actually help improve good cholesterol, HDL, and support heart health if you use it in moderation. It aids digestion, helps your body to absorb fat-soluble vitamins like A, D, E, and K, and keeps your metabolism active. In Ayurveda, coconut oil is described as Sheetal, meaning cooling in nature. It helps calm Pitta dosh, reducing internal heat, anger, acidity, and inflammation. If you often feel hot, restless, or short tempered, a bit of coconut oil in your food or a gentle head massage can bring instant calmness and clarity. Now let's talk about beauty, natural beauty. Coconut oil is one of the nature's most powerful moisturizer. It goes deep into your skin, reducing dryness and healing small burns or rashes. It even helps in conditions like eczema and dry lips. For hair, coconut oil is the best. Regular head massage with warm coconut oil strengthens the roots, prevents dandruff, and reduces hair fall. It nourishes and relaxes your scalp. And when your scalp is relaxed, your mind becomes relaxed too. For your feet, a little coconut oil on cracked heels or dry cuticles at night is a simple and natural remedy. It is also very effective. Then there is one traditional use of coconut oil called oil pulling for your oral health. It's an old Ayurvedic ritual where you swish a tablespoon of coconut oil in your mouth for about 5 to 10 minutes. It removes toxins, reduces bacteria, freshens breath, and improves your gum health. Many people ask me, is coconut oil very safe for cooking? Yes, and in fact, it is one of the most stable oil you can use. Refined seed oil, when heated, break down, but coconut oil stays steady. It doesn't oxidize easily, which means it doesn't produce harmful compound. That's why it is good for frying and sauteing. I will now give you some interesting tips for using coconut oil. It provides a mild natural sunscreen effect. That's why coastal people who apply it daily have soft, naturally protected skin. It becomes an insect repellent when mixed with citronella or lemongrass oil. So this is the safe, chemical-free way to keep mosquitoes away. And when you use it in temple lamp, coconut oil burns cleanly and brightly. It is pure and light. In Ayurveda, coconut oil is all about calmness and balance. For people with excess heat or hot temperament, it is soothing and cooling. When used in the traditional oil massage, it relaxes your muscles, tones your skin, and releases stored tension. And one more important thing to keep it in mind, moderation is important. Coconut oil is full of calories. So 1 or 2 teaspoons a day is usually enough in your food. Those with high cholesterol or kapha imbalance should use even less amount. Coconut oil is used for centuries all across India, Sri Lanka, Thailand, and other countries. Because beyond all its health benefits, it is simple, pure, and easily available. When we return to nature's gift with awareness, we don't just heal our body, we heal our way of living. Namaskar.